Hi guys, welcome back to my series Drive Safe with Keshav. This is the third video, and if you haven't watched the first two videos, please do so. They are on the topics blind spot and impaired driving. Now, before we begin this video, let's have a look at some clips. The drivers were all fully trained, fully licensed, and had no intention to cause these accidents. Let's have a look at what went wrong and how to correct it. The number one cause of these accidents is not being punctual. If we do not leave on time, then we are impatient and want to reach our destination as soon as possible. This leads to rash driving and errors in judgment. To avoid these kinds of accidents, we need to leave early and keep a margin of time before the actual scheduled time to reach the destination. The second most common reason for these accidents is not observing the surroundings around our vehicle. Before we enter the vehicle, we need to observe and scan our surroundings for children, small pets, or people sleeping on the road. After entering our vehicle, we need to check all mirrors, including our blind spot and rear camera, before we start moving. The third point is about special areas. So what are the special areas? These are the areas such as movie theaters, malls, parking lots and schools. Especially in schools, there is a high density of children moving around and in a playful mode, and thus are very vulnerable targets for accidents. In all of these areas, there is a very high density of population, which means that there are a lot of people roaming around which you need to be observant around. To avoid these accidents, we must drive slowly, turn slowly, and must not perform any quick maneuvers. We must be very observant and look around our vehicles at all times while driving. The fourth and the most important point is communication with other drivers and pedestrians. In areas such as parking lots, hospitals, schools, etc., we must always be patient and look around us and communicate with other drivers. In these areas, there is a lot of confusion, and we must visually communicate with other drivers about the giving way or moving first. In case of pedestrians, the pedestrians always have the right of way. We should always let them pass before driving our vehicle. Now you might have a question about what is right of way. This is an extremely important topic that I will discuss in my next video. So stay tuned and look out for my next video. Like and subscribe, and thank you.